Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Rumba Parts is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your beloved robot vacuum running at peak performance, ensuring it continues to diligently clean your floors without missing a beat. When your Rumba starts to show signs of wear, like reduced suction power or ineffective cleaning, it's a clear indicator that its parts need attention, and replacing them can breathe new life into your device, saving you money and hassle compared to buying a whole new unit. Number 5. LOVECO Replacement Accessories for iRobot Roomba 600 and 500 Series. Keep your iRobot Roomba running at its best with this comprehensive replacement accessory kit. It's designed to fit your 600 and 500 series robot vacuum. This kit is fully compatible with a wide range of iRobot Roomba models, including the 694, 692, 660, 595, and 585. Ensure your cleaner operates efficiently. You'll receive essential parts, multiple bristle and flexible beater brushes, filters, and side brushes. It also includes helpful cleaning tools and a screwdriver for easy maintenance. For optimal performance, we recommend cleaning the filter regularly and replacing the brushes and filters every 1 to 2 months, depending on usage. Replacing these parts is simple. The included screwdriver makes it easy to uninstall the side brush, and the cleaning brush helps maintain the filter. Have questions about your replacement parts? Feel free to contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours to assist you. What we like. This kit offers a generous quantity of essential parts, ensuring you have replacements readily available. It's designed for straightforward installation and cleaning, making upkeep a breeze. If you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly option to keep your robot running smoothly, this is a great choice. What people say. The LOVECO Replacement Accessories Kit is exactly what you want when replacing worn parts instead of an entire device. The components fit properly and function just like the originals, which is something not all replacement kits get right. Installation was straightforward, and everything aligned well without forcing or modifications. Easy to swap parts and vacuum works good as new. Lots of replacement pieces included and should last a long time. All items fit perfectly into place. Number 4. Replacement Parts Kit for iRobot Roomba 600 and 500 Series. Keep your iRobot Roomba running like new with this comprehensive replacement parts kit. It's designed to fit your 600 and 500 series vacuum seamlessly. These accessories are engineered for a perfect fit, ensuring your robot maintains optimal performance. They work just like the original parts, providing a thorough clean every time. Crafted from sturdy PC material, these parts are built to last. For peak performance, we recommend replacing them every 2 to 4 months. If your side brushes arrive bent, simply soak them in warm water for a few minutes. This will restore their shape without affecting their quality or performance. This package includes 2 beater brushes, 6 filters, 6 side brushes, cleaning tools, a screwdriver, and 6 screws for a complete replacement. We've rigorously tested and packaged these items for you. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Constructed from sturdy PC material, these accessories are built to last and perform comparably to the original parts. The recommendation for replacement every 2 to 4 months suggests good longevity. If you prioritize durability and consistent performance, and want to minimize how often you need to think about replacements, this kit is ideal. What people say. The brushes and filters fit perfectly in my 675 and 690 models with zero forcing or tweaking required. The bristle and beater brushes snapped right into place and immediately reduced the noise level of the old frayed bushes, ANS improved pickup performance. My vacuum went from just okay to noticeably stronger suction and better debris collection on both carpet and hard floors. With 2 main brush sets, 6 filters, and 6 side brushes, I'm stocked for months of maintenance without having to reorder. Number 3. iRobot Roomba 600 and 500 Series Replacement Parts Kit. Keep your iRobot Roomba 600 or 500 series vacuum cleaner running like new with this comprehensive replacement parts kit. It includes everything you need for a thorough clean. Our innovative side brushes are designed to reach deep into corners and along edges. This ensures that more dirt, dust, and debris are effectively captured. Regularly replacing the brushes helps maintain your vacuum's optimal cleaning performance. It also contributes to reducing battery drain for longer use. These parts are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring both efficiency and durability. You can rely on them for consistent performance over time. This kit comes complete with filters, side brushes, bristle brushes, a flexible beater brush, and cleaning tools. It's an easy and convenient way to refresh your device. The replacement parts are designed for easy installation and are built to last. Get back to cleaning with confidence in no time. What we like. The innovative side brush design reaches deep into corners for superior dirt removal, and the brushes are made from high-quality, durable materials for efficient cleaning. If you have a lot of hard-to-reach areas or are looking to maximize your robot's cleaning power, this kit is a strong contender. What people say. After installing these replacement parts, it's like I have a brand new Roomba again. The replacement parts were incredibly easy to install. The kit came with everything I needed, including new brushes, filters, and rollers, and it took me just a few minutes to swap out the old parts. The instructions were clear, and everything fit perfectly into my Roomba 650. After replacing the worn-out components, I immediately noticed a huge improvement in how well my Roomba cleaned. It's now picking up more dirt, dust, and pet hair than ever before. The suction seems stronger, and the new brushes are much more efficient at sweeping debris off the floor. The parts feel well made and durable. The filters are effective at capturing dust and allergens, and I like that the set came with multiple spares, so I'm covered for several more replacements down the road. Number 2. Replacement parts for iRobot Roomba 600 and 500 series. Keep your iRobot Roomba running like new with this comprehensive replenishment kit. It includes everything you need to maintain optimal cleaning performance. Designed for a perfect fit with various iRobot Roomba models in the 600 and 500 series, ensuring seamless integration and reliable operation. Experience enhanced air quality with HEPA filters that capture up to 99.98% of particles. The wear-resistant side brushes effectively clean deep dirt without scratching your floors. This cost-effective set provides enough filters, brushes, and tools to meet your cleaning robot's needs for 1 to 2 years, offering excellent value. Easily install the new parts with the included tools for a significantly improved cleaning experience. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. For best results, we recommend replacing filters and side brushes every 2 to 3 months and a main brush set every 6 months. Bent side brushes can be easily restored with hot water. What we like. Featuring HEPA filters with up to 99.98% purification efficiency, this kit not only cleans your floors but also the air. A generous quantity of parts is designed to last 1 to 2 years, offering excellent value. If you're seeking to improve air quality alongside cleaning performance and want a supply that lasts, this is an excellent investment. What people say. Everything fits my Roomba 650 perfectly. Brushes, filters, and rollers all installed easily and work just like the originals. The quality is excellent, the materials feel durable, and my Roomba is cleaning better than it has in months. All parts fit perfectly well. The original screw for the spinning brush didn't fit, but the replacement parts kit came with screws which did fit and were threaded properly for my 692, so install was simple and straightforward. Ran the vacuum for about an hour afterward and it's back to cleaning like new. The quality and functionality of these replacement parts is very impressive and the ease of use and replacement were wonderful and easy. All the parts one replaced fit perfectly. Number 1. DLD Replacement Kit for iRobot Roomba 600 series. Keep your iRobot Roomba 600 series running smoothly with this brand new replacement accessories kit. It's designed to be a perfect fit for your vacuum cleaner. Crafted from high-strength and environmentally friendly materials, these parts ensure durability and optimal performance for your device. This kit includes essential components like filters and brushes to help maintain your vacuum's powerful cleaning capabilities. Get the most out of your machine. We ship within 2 days with tracking information included for your convenience. Your new parts will arrive protected in a high-strength box to prevent any damage. Ensure your iRobot vacuum cleaner continues to perform at its best. These replacement parts are fully compatible and designed for reliable use. What we like. Made from high-strength and environmentally friendly materials, these accessories are designed for robust performance. The secure packaging ensures parts arrive in optimal condition, preventing bending. If you value eco-conscious materials and reliable, well-protected replacement parts, this option is worth considering. What people say. It seemed to pick up a lot more fine lint, but I think that's because the main brush is a little longer. The parts were easy to install. Our Roomba cleans better since we replaced these parts with the ones received in the accessory kit. It collects more dirt and fluffs the carpet up more. The cleaning tool is a great help, and I was not even looking for that. I have been struggling to clean the brushes, and with the red cleaner it only takes a minute to get most of the hair off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.